Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we confidently call the best expandable pet carrier under seat. If you're a frequent flyer with a feline or petite pooch, this rolling pet carrier might just be your new favorite travel companion. This is the BNISE pet carrier on wheels, specifically designed for pets under 26 pounds. Right away, what makes this product stand out is its airline-approved size, 16.5 inches long, 13 inches wide, and 12 inches tall. That means it's crafted to slide under most airplane seats, giving you peace of mind before you even take off. But do check with your specific airline, as seat space can vary from one plane to another. Now let's talk about movement and convenience. One of the standout features is the 360-degree rotating wheels. They're smooth, quiet, and detachable, making your stroll through the terminal practically effortless. You won't be that person awkwardly dragging a squeaky pet carrier through the crowd. This glides like a travel pro. And for those moments when you don't want to roll it, there's an adjustable shoulder strap and a smart luggage strap so you can easily attach it to your suitcase handle. Travel made simple. But what really elevates this product is its expandable design. Both side panels unzip and extend outward, giving your pet more room to move, stretch, and relax, especially important for long journeys. It creates a cozy space during airport delays or while waiting in line. It's this two-sided expansion that transforms the confined space of a typical carrier into a temporary mini den for your pet. Inside, you'll find a soft fleece travel bed. It's removable and washable, which makes cleanup super easy if there's an accident or just general wear and tear. The structure is built with a thick wire frame that holds its shape without being rigid or uncomfortable. The mesh panels on the sides and top offer excellent airflow and visibility, keeping your pet cool and calm. It's breathable, sturdy, and designed with safety in mind. The carrier's nylon exterior is durable and lightweight, able to withstand travel knocks while still feeling soft-sided enough to keep your pet comfortable. And thanks to the collapsible nature of the design, storage is no hassle when it's not in use. This product is clearly more than just a carrier. It's a portable, expandable, breathable home away from home for your pet. Whether you're flying, driving, or just out for a weekend trip, it gives your furry friend a safe and comfy place to travel. If you've been searching for a pet carrier that's airline compliant, travel friendly, easy to clean, and designed with real pet comfort in mind, this is it. And at a mid-range price point, you're getting some serious value for what it offers. So that wraps up our look at the BNISE Expandable Pet Carrier on Wheels. If you've got a travel-loving pet, this might just be your next best purchase. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, so you never miss a review that helps you shop smarter. Safe travels to you and your furry co-pilot.